Well, we have a new segment debuting today. It's called Focus 50 Plus with Dr. George Schofield. And today we're talking about understanding the revolution in planning to have the life you want at every age. Thank you so much for joining us, George.
Thank you, Kathy. It's a pleasure to be here.
So what is the revolution?
The revolution is that in previous times, very stable times, someone could retire at 65, have a pension, plan their lives out, and there'd be maybe a slow decline until 75. Now, someone who's 55 may very well live another 50 years. So there's a shorter planning horizon. You have to plan for lifestyle as well as money. Where's the money going to come from for another 40 years if you retire at 65? So there's a tremendous amount of planning to be done, and you can only plan for, say, 2 to 5 years, and you have to re-up the plan every year.
Interesting. So what does this mean for someone, say, 45 or 65?
Well, what it means is that people really have to anticipate they're going to live longer.
Right.
They're going to have to decide what kind of lifestyle they want to live. They're going to have to be able to afford it. And in a lot of cases, especially for people in their 50s who haven't saved enough, regardless of the hype about saving, and we all need to save.
Yes.
We probably can't save ourselves out of the hole. We don't have that many years. So it's going to have to be a combination of saving and some form of working longer. Next week we're going to talk about the revolution in the workplace. So we'll get to that. It's very, very important to people understand if they're going to live another 50 years, that's a very different kind of planning.
This affects everyone. We really do need to be thinking about this. So what are the steps we can be taking? What do we need to do this?
Well, the first one is write it down.
Good one.
Be serious about it. The second one is actually seek someone that you know and you really respect and test the plan with him or her or them. It's best if it's not someone whose own okayness is all tied up in yours, because that will really affect the feedback that you get. So the next thing would be hang it on the refrigerator, don't put it in a drawer.
Very good.
And finally, breathe it, live it, expect to be surprised, because we don't know what's going to happen in the next 40 years. And the new success is that you adapt and the plan adapts. The old success was executing on plan flawlessly. Life's not going to be like that in the next 40 to 50 years.
Very interesting things here. And it's so, you've made it so simple, these steps here, but it really, and they are simple. You just need to focus it like you said, and I love what you said, don't put it in a drawer, put it on the refrigerator, and just live it.
Integrated it into how you think, and frankly, who you hang out with. You want to hang out with other people who understand how different life's going to be if they're going to live to be 100, not 75.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much, George. We're going to have George with us again every Monday for this new segment, and very, very glad to have you with us.
Thank you. Delightful to be here.
All right. And of course, if you want more information, George has a website. It's www.drgeorgeschofield.com, correct?
GeorgeSchofield.com.
All right. We'll be right back.
Thank you.